Welcome, Aquarius, to your March sun sign reading. I hope you're doing well, taking care of yourselves. When I was pre-shuffling the cards, the Three of Coins kept coming out with the Lovers. It's very interesting. Okay. Three of Swords. And the Four of Cups. I feel like somebody hurt you or you hurt yourself at the time of the full moon or the new moon. It's happened at the new moon. And they're like, you fought with someone and it's like they're missing you. It's strange because it's like, I don't see this as your energy. It's like, I see this as their energy. And that, it's like they're missing what you guys had in that cup. They're thinking about it. And it's like, don't continue to hurt yourself anymore. Don't continue to build a victim template for yourself. Like, you matter. You know, people care. People always care. Our emotions do matter. And I know Aquarius energy gets up into thoughts and can be very detached. And it's almost like I see like you're hurting yourself, wondering if they care, wondering if they're thinking about you, wondering if it matters, if you matter. But of course you do, and of course it does. Emotions, heart matters. And when you can connect your thoughts to your heart, left brain, right brain connection, that's evolution, that's mastering yourself. But don't hurt yourself to get there. Don't hurt yourself to do it. You don't have to hurt yourself yet. Okay. Yeah. Because you got the Tower. Towers hit. Towers hit. With the Page of Coins. This is somebody who's on a spiritual quest. This is you. This is your energy. You are on a spiritual quest. But you need to ground it. Like, it needs to be grounded. You need to spend time with nature. I can feel the call to nature in this card. In this situation, rather than doing this, you need to switch to this energy and start spending time healing with nature, cultivating a relationship there. Especially, you know, after the Towers hit, there's something gained there for you on your spiritual quest. And the moon is here because this happens within. And it's like the moon's presence is making itself so well known. And it's like, I can feel whatever's happening on your spiritual quest in nature, it's going to allow you to see something differently. It's going to allow you to actually connect and let the light in. And it's going to allow you to connect to your emotions and your heart center and for your emotions to flow. It's like you're going to face something there. You're going to face something. And remember, it will be different for everyone, whoever's resonating with this message. If this message is not resonating with you, thank you for joining me here, and I do wish you luck on your path. But whoever I'm resonating with here, this is definitely connection to nature, something released, hidden there, maybe from childhood, maybe even just who you're fighting with here. It will be different for everyone, right? But I see fighting with friends, fighting with family, fighting with a loved one, or even fighting with yourself, fighting from childhood. But it's all good, because something comes to light when you spend time cultivating your relationship with nature. And then we have the Two of Cups. And this is what you want. This is why you were in this energy to begin with. This is what you want. This is why, you know, you're ready for equality. You're ready for that feeling now. I just want to apologize for any distraction in the background, you guys. I just wanted to get this happening before anyone was here, and people have arrived. I just want to get this reading out to you, though. Now, Three of Swords. We've got the Prince of Swords. Well. Let's get the message in there for you right now. The Prince of Swords is the unified division of thought, the mental aspect of the mind. He holds the sword of creation and the scythe of destruction, showing his dualistic nature, unified through his body of unified through his body of consciousness. With logic and reason, he rapidly moves from topic to topic, becoming engulfed in whatever he is exploring, until the next thought takes over, quick to destroy his train of thought as he moves along. He is seated upon a chariot, which is pulled by each of the other elements, though he himself is none of them, demonstrating his influence over and dependence upon the other elemental forces. The Prince of Swords is all mind and encourages you to take some time to think. So, this is what we're talking about in evolution. The Prince of Swords is not just relying on thoughts, which I know you want to rely on your thoughts. That's natural. That's your sun sign energy. But now you've got to rely on your water, okay? Your emotions, your pentacles, grounding it, and your wands, your action, your forward movement with sun, like source energy. And this is cultivating your relationship here with nature, with Mother Earth. And then, like, that's your chariot right there. Your own personal little chariot. I like it. Aquarius has their own chariot. All right. And that's what we're talking about. This is about Three of Swords, right? It's now clarified. Suffering. This is about suffering. Look at that patch character. Drowning. This is the patch tarot. I love it. So, it's upright. So yes, we're suffering, but we're not in anguish. We're not drowning. We're not continuing to go down. We're suffering, but we use that energy to evolve and create with. And that's a perfect reason to say, yeah, you know what? I'm hurting. I gotta go spend time in the mountains. I gotta go spend time by the water. I gotta go, guys. This is what I have to do for me. That's the card. You have the Six of Discs, generosity. And the Tower is here because it's not about a time of being selfish anymore. That's what we know you want. You want equality. So the Tower hit because now it's not going to be about being selfish. It's going to be about being generous and equal. And that's going to make you feel happy and grounded. And really, the moon is making its presence known. Like, I can feel the moon. Like, spend time with the moon. Like, there's something about the moon, too. Like, the moon is all over this reading. There we go. So we have got, with the Page of Coins, the Hermit, meditation, and it's right there in the card. The Hermit here, he's left the city and he is sitting in nature, meditating, transforming, transmuting, activating. And it's with the moon. Whether it's the full moon here at the end of the month, or something's being activated with this new moon in Pisces here, which could very well be so, but something between the new moon and the full moon. And then we have here, clarifying the moon, we have the sun, illumination. It's achievement right there. You've moved away from narcissism, because reversed, this card would be narcissism. You've moved away from narcissism, and now we have illumination. The sun and the moon. Balance, restored, achievement, and there it is. So, main energy on the bottom of the deck. We've got the Two of Wands. And right now, we're in destruction. We're in destruction because we're worried. But we don't want to be in destruction. We don't want to be battling within, battling with other people. We want to be manifesting. We want to be moving towards our evolution. And upright, this card speaks of Genesis. And that's what we want here. Let's see what's being activated. It's going to be this card that flew out right here. Four activations is a little much. We all have places to get going. All right. And here it is. So this is the Knave of Swords. Well. We've come full circle again. A person holds a goose in their hands, protecting it from others. Behind him is a bag of coins lying open. This card shows a decision being made. Does he hold on to the goose or risk losing it to grab the treasure? He is cunning, and if he acts quickly, he might be able to keep both prizes. However, his body seems to favor protecting and keeping the goose. The lesson of this card seems to suggest to protect what is really valuable. Our hearts and the hearts of the ones we love. Protection, insight, learning about the world around you, always moving. Now, do you want to, it's just really about, do you want to continue doing what you're doing, or are you ready to evolve? Are you ready to master yourself and manifest and get back to nature? Thank you for joining me here today. Take care, and I will see you again soon.